auspicious day in my life because you see we talk about milestones in our lives. So working in Navodaya is a milestone, but it is not a small milestone, bigger in size because the experience we got has many advantages and disadvantages. Because in personal life, you see a man says that a man should do three duties. One is social life, family life, third professional life. So we have to maintain a balance between among these three things. So it is very difficult for the people working in our whether he is teaching or not teaching. Because you see from the beginning I have been observing since Nalgonda. But things are changing because the principals, teachers who worked in the beginning are lucky, I say. In the 1991 we did not have this much of pressure because when I went to attend the Tata's Vijay Chari sir, director of NLI, Chari sir's daughter's marriage was attended by me. So then Dravidamani sir was there, Sogan Babu sir was there, and Radhakrishna sir could not come because he is in charge of it. Madam has some other appointments with her, DC madam. So I am very much happy to meet them there in the marriage. So Dravidamani sir was telling me when I told that I am going to retire and that you are a lucky person, he was telling. Why sir? You see, from top to bottom everybody is hectically busy now because of this present government policies, present kind of programs. We are also helpless to pressurize you. Like that he was telling, Dravidamani sir. So like that now things have become changed. Unless there is a coordination, cooperation, nowadays I tell frankly, it's very difficult. That's why a family touch is very much required in Navodaya system. Because we are away from family from morning 8 to evening, even if schools run offline, our space is very less, family space. So that's why the life which we lead in our school from morning to evening, if we work under tension or pressure with these targets, everything, very difficult to maintain health. Because of course it may be a God grace or what is that I am fortunate. Till now I haven't got sugar or BP. Even my brothers, my sisters have, but I did not have. Because from the day one in my home, I used to, I don't want to keep anything in my heart. I speak out. But later I forget. If I have some bitter experience with anybody, I don't develop hatred. Because I used to read the books of Satya Sai Baba. I used to read magazines of Satya Sai, Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna, Paramahansa, that one. So there are many books I read, and in Warangal I used to go to library, Arya Vaishya library. So because library is the place that I can say it shaped me. Only in this library I could not utilize much. I one day expressed sir that sir I could not utilize much. Sir was also telling who is reading like that sir is it. Because that is the most liked place. Library is the place where I used to sit in my personal life, in my student life, in my school life. I used to take many books to home, but I could not. So officers also experience. You see, there are many experiences. One Navodaya advantage is I used to meet the people of all the states. It is a mini India. Because when economics madam came, her husband, she was with her husband, and she told that her husband was maintaining one this birds, some animals, he used to feed them, and he is living on them. So I was very happy that I expressed it. But from my childhood I did not have that much attachment with these dogs and cats. Actually I say, because he said I am dog lover. But 2-3 experiences made me like that. When I was studying in Kakatiya Warangal, I used to go to my friend's house. One night 2-3 thieves attacked one. That day there were 2-3 dogs. So they fought deadly with the thieves, and one dog died. And he was saved. That is the incident that made me like that. Actually, and cat also, you don't think that. In Pune I used to maintain 2 cats. One cat died. One night I went outside, sir. So one cat came to the door and was leaving like anything. I just made rubbish here and there. Unless it doesn't get food, enough of food, it comes to the door with the hope that it would get it. So once I provided milk to the cat. So later I got friends with that cat, and she used to sleep in my wife's lap. And when I was checking the papers, in Pune region working as Art has told, it is a regional office school. I never slept before 12. I never slept after 5. I never, I used to get up at 5, and even national meet like that, I hectically busy at that. Here, whatever work I did here in Nizam, I was nothing before that. So in such a stressful atmosphere, my attachment with that cat made me live very happy. One day, cat was at the door and it was asking in its language my wife to open the door. She was not opening. So my house was my housemaster quarter. I complete 11 years I stayed in the housemaster quarter. That is between, their structure is different. Between the students' dormitory, my quarter was there. So I had to enter into my quarter through that door. So as soon as it saw me, it came running to me, and it came with me to the door, and its sound gave that meaning that, you see, mommy is not allowing me. I was crying for half an hour. See, oh, you have come, I am very happy. So these words, meaning was found in the eye of the cat. Actually, before that I did not have that much attachment. These are the experiences. Even I became non-vegetarian also. I don't want to go into my personal experience because everybody has his own experience taste. Because man becomes wise because of age. Wisdom comes of age. That's why I became like that. As a child, as a student, as a university student, I never cared them. But dog is going like that. But these are the experiences that made me see. It doesn't mean one should see. Everybody has own thing. So I don't want to. Please put up, sir.
Sir, cat can speak only Hindi, sir.
Okay, Hindi, meow, meow. So coming from one to this is my personal experience. So I was very much thankful this day on the day of my retirement. Yes, I take respect because that is a focal part in the speech of my friends. So don't think that my focal length of my speech is more. So what I want to say, first of all, I thank our beloved principal sir. He is a very good organized worker because sir conducted adult education program in JNU Pune. I think sir attended there, and scouts and guides also. So whenever I was in Karimnagar, he used to guide me. Luckily, I my bad luck that Parvani, I could not get Parvani. That is the place where post is vacant but not sanctioned. Same happened in Karimnagar. From 1980 to 2002, 5 years, 6 years I think. 6 years I ended 12th class also with 6th to 7th. So I used to be called like PGT, PGT, PTGT, like that they used to call me. So I ended the classes there successfully. So that's why just what happened, unfortunately. There post was vacant. I was handling classes.
Yes, sir.
But when I got promotion, just after 6 months that madam changed. Otherwise I would have got Karimnagar. DC sir was also very much kind enough to give me that place. But sir told me that time DC sir expressed sorry that I will not give you. You are reserved. So that is my bad. But anyhow I got Pune, a challenging place. Anyhow, everywhere we should see some positive kind of benefit in everything. Because when I worked in Pune, that gave me a chance to expose myself and get many types of experiences. Lot of experience I got. So Pune place was very challenging. I handled very. So coming to Neha madam, whenever she generally it is saying that we should not be too close to women. We should maintain some dignity with the women. They are the people who work at home as well as the office. That is great. Because they are greater than us. Because they work at home, work in the school or office. So I was very happy when Neha madam came and did because she was from Bitskilani. I was very happy because children would get benefit from her command over English language and her talent in her subject. So a good team is there, sir, here. So when coming to office, Chandrakala madam, and I am very much free and frank to say, sir, that here mess is best, sir. Out of Nalgonda, Karimnagar, Pune, I never took food, sir, anywhere. But here I took food in the mess for complete 1 month when my wife was not there. Here mess, the Pedaramlu and our health team cooked very nicely, tastily. I enjoyed it. So, and another point, even in office, sir, I frankly say, here in office, regarding xerox, regarding printing, whenever I went into office, they did my work, and I got full cooperation from everybody. OS sir, madam, and Chandrakala madam, and Vedgopal sir. I know him from Rangayat, because Rangayat is another school, like my home school. I used to go, because my brother-in-law, whenever I went to Hyderabad, I used to go to Rangayat school. I know Praveen from, even he was working in Warangal. We were together, because in every school, sir, I used to be accommodation in charge or mess in charge. Either accommodation or mess, sir, anyway. So that made me have close touch with the people. And whenever any teacher or principal in Pune, you see, when national meets came, all principals are team managers. In Karimnagar, JMST, total regional meeting, all DOs came. You see, I was given accommodation in charge. But whenever somebody came, I felt as I was a member of family, and I gave family touch to anybody, whether midnight or morning or evening, any time I was available, thinking that if I were in their place, if I were in their shoes, suppose I go to other school, so I need, and I am fortunate enough to give guest host. I would be, the BVROs are very close to me, our husband is very close. Because whenever we have some, generally I tell you, generally people share service matters, but I never shared service matter or negative things of the Vidyalaya or any person. Only for enrichment of my profession, my teaching, my lesson planning, I used to ask the other friends of other Vidyalayas. And even when Divakar sir was there, he told me, what is the class? He scolded and he talked very insultingly, sir. But I made him realize. And one day he himself, I made him realize, 4 times he came for inspection. But in third, fourth, he himself started praising me and used to say here and there. So I got that from my childhood. Because when I studied in Sagar school, my math teacher used to beat me. My English teacher used to beat me. Whenever somebody beats me, physically or mentally, I used to take it as a challenge. That is the strength behind me, not that Bonvita boost. People say. And another thing I learned my father and mother. Don't hate anybody. Though they talk to you, hurt you, forget it. But mind your business. For which you like to exist. For which your life is dependent. అందుకే సార్ నేను ఎవరితో ఇక్కడ నా బాధ పెట్టినట్టు మాట్లాడాను ప్రొఫెషనల్ తప్ప పర్సనల్ ఏం లేదు. నా మనసులో మీద ఎవరి మీద కానీ ఎలాంటిది లేదు. ఎందుకంటే నేను కొన్ని కొటేషన్లో పాడవాలి. చెడు చెవులు చెప్పు, మంచి మైకులో చెప్పాలి సామెత. ఎవరితో నా పడకుండా ఏదన్నా ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడుతున్నా నాకు అదే తెలుస్తుంటుంది. సార్ నా నుంచి ఏమన్నా అయిందా సార్ మాట్లాడతలేదు, అదే తెలుస్తుంటుంది. ఎవరే కానీ ఇప్పుడు మేడం మా నేబర్ వచ్చింది, మా మేడం సంతోషంగా ఉంది. చాలా ఉండే పాపం ఆమె నర్స్ మేడం ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫిజికల్ కదా సార్, ఫిజికల్ స్కూల్
మీ ఇంటి పక్కకే కావాలని అంటే అందుకే ఇచ్చినాము.
ఇచ్చినాడు. ఇప్పుడు నిర్మా మేడం బాబురావు సార్ నేను నల్గొండ నుంచి పరిచయం. వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడు అప్పుడు నల్గొండ ఉన్నప్పుడు నా మెస్ అకామిడేషన్ ఉండకపోయేది. అక్కడ రిసెప్షన్ కమిటీలు ఉండేది. జెండా పట్టడం కూడా బ్యానర్ కట్టుడు, బస్ స్టాండ్ కూర్చున్నాడు సార్. అప్పుడు నిర్మా మేడం బాబురావు సార్ వచ్చేవాళ్ళు. నేను ఎప్పుడు వైట్ డ్రెస్ వేసుకునేది. పీటీ సార్ అనేది they use only pीटी sir. I am not pीटी sir. So whenever there is an occasion, I used to wear white dress because that is the dress of a hosting person. Oh, atideni 5-star hotel you see white dress pehanta. So my भी white dress पहनता था. तो बोलता था कि मैं पीटी है क्या? नहीं, मैं पीटी में पीजी इंग्लिश. तो sir बाबा sir नहीं sir. So Nalgonda, a place where I enjoyed, though there was no current problem, water problem, sir might have tasted. But the family life was there. Sir was there. after 4 sir, after 3 times के school गए sir. That is the best timetable I think. I am going to tell the officer very well. Morning ये study होगा I think. మీకు లేదు sir? Morning 7 to 8 study होगा. 8:45 prayer, 9 class, and up to 1:30 classes. 2 o'clock, only 45 minutes, and 2 to 4, 3:30, 2 periods. I used to maintain garden, C-type quarter, Nalgonda. I maintain garden with children. We lived with children that time. We lived the life. Here we are doing the work, but there we live the life. Whether it is teaching or children were also different at that time. Really, the Nalgonda batch students still they, I feel they feel, sir, हमारा घर आओ sir, आपका बेटा नहीं देखो, ऐसा बोलते हैं. Really, I am very much happy for being a teacher. Because all students are not bad, all people are not bad. Let us work for 5% of students who are better. Yes. That was the only thing that made me work like anything. And sir told me that the dog, he loves the dog. I happened to see him giving food, so I tested his nature. That's why I told you, sir. And thank you also. Here I doesn't mean ఎవరు పెట్టకుంటే వేరు పెట్టే ఎవరు ఇష్టాలు వాళ్ళు మనం చదవకూడదు. Everybody has it. I never say. So sir, and Praveen sir is very much in Pune region, sir. He was some in charge there. I don't want to tell the party in charge there. But he used to help me on phone. ఎప్పుడు ఫోన్ అన్నా అంటాడు నన్ను. నాకంటే చిన్నవాడే. నేను చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్ మీకైతే. గుణాలు నాకు చాలా సాయం చేశాను. ఎన్నో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సబ్జెక్ట్ పరంగా కానీ అన్న వర్క్ రికార్డ్ వర్క్ మెయిన్గా ఐఎమ్ పూరింగ్ కంప్యూటర్ అండ్ దక్షిణ ఇష్యూస్ వీ యూజ్ టు షేర్ హౌ టు హ్యాండిల్ ద థింగ్స్ బికాస్ ఇన్ పూణే వన్ డే సార్ local students on one side, Dakshina students on side, principals are one side, I am here. Like Kurukshetra. Only guns అప్పుడు ఏమైందంటే గొడవ నేషనల్ మీట్ ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ 4 o'clock ప్రిన్సిపాల్ ఫోన్ చేసింది సార్. ఏమైంది సార్ మైత్రి ఉంది వైఆర్ మేకింగ్ ఏ కాల్ at 4 o'clock. సార్ ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ కమ్ టోటల్ స్కూల్ విల్ బి బల్స్ విత్ బాంబ్స్ అని దురిపేసింది సార్. అదే బాంబులతో పేల్చేశారు సార్ బస్సు. సో దే హ్యావ్ ప్లేడ్ at 7 o'clock. I was transport teacher sir. बड़ा काम दिया, बड़ा काम मालूम है सर. कमिश्नर का गेस्ट हाउस में देखना है, कैटरिंग का देखना है, आने वाला बच्चे छोटा छोटा कुछ सबका अकोमोडेशन और ये दिया ट्रांसपोर्ट चलो. ट्रांसपोर्ट नेशनल में कंటే చాలా పెద్ద బస్సులు ఉంటాయి. 7 పోవాలంటే వాళ్ళు 4:30 కి వెళ్ళాలి. By 4:30 they have to leave the school, otherwise they will miss 50,000. बोल रहा है सर हम बस को जलाएंगे, हमको नहीं आएगा हमारे पास कुछ नहीं करता हूँ, स्कूल को फोड़ता हूँ ऐसा. So that time I used my presence of mind. I have some friends, I waited total circle. So I had some phone numbers of transport companies. Without asking principal, taking permission, I want 2 buses immediately. You come immediately to school. Take it. So I managed the buses and then I called principal. He appreciated me. Sir, please come, sir. Otherwise, he will not come. Sir, they are going to burn the bus. Your chamber is going to be broken into pieces like that. Because he was there. And he rushed to the spot. Sir, nothing to worry. Sir, they are not getting satisfied with my words because I am a teacher. You are principal, sir. Head of the department. So after start hold, they got classified. And that time, by that time, buses came. That bus failed. So I used such kind of local red circle and one teacher like Angere sir. Because the contract teachers like these people are gap filling people. Because in nowadays, sir, I am sorry to say, till today, Agesri madam was there and another teacher Nagendra came. Actually, they were appointed permanent teacher. So one teacher helped me like anything in transport. Because they are doing a lot of service, filling the gap. Contract teacher, whether it is English, whether it is Hindi, they are filling the gaps. Because when sir came, in the beginning I talked to sir because I felt him, I saw him some feeling very sad. He was not attentive in his work. I thought, sir, what happened, sir? So some human touch is required in our life. So that's why these experiences, which because I largely I share, but Maheshwari sir, Maheshwari, you are the accounts officer. I went to in the principal guest house. When our principal was there, I asked him, "Sir, good morning, sir." I asked principal. So then I just politely bent my head and said, but he never reciprocated. Sir, I felt very sorry. I told the principal, "Sir, what happened, sir? I am also PGT, of course, you are principal, but at least he should have reciprocated, no, sir. Because I am a man of outspoken, straightforward रहता हूँ. कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगे तो, but I tell politely, not bitterly. So that incident, because whether they are contact teacher, whether the PGT library or anything, we are members of family. That kind of spirit is very much required nowadays. Otherwise, it is very difficult to survive keeping our health intact. So here, Vivekananda sir very new to me. I used to talk very less. Anyhow, sometimes sir don't think otherwise. I am not a person of reserved nature. Due to kind of work busy this one, I could not speak to you well. When I was talking to you in the darkness among the bushes, I called, sir, don't walk the way to live our family. And those jobs are helping me, sir, in computer. Whenever I got this computer Google Meet, sir, I am very good, sir. Some of them are good, sir. They need to be helped. And I don't know, I'm telling my Shapra sir, Vivekananda sir, we are same as within the kind of regard. So that's why Joy sir, I am very thankful to sir.
sir, power
attending CBSE training. And our friend Sivasra, you had to take preparation and you have to be very sincere because you are an Navodaya student. Shamral sir was very involved by Guru in Telugu language. Whenever I wrote any article, speech in James, sir, I am very much thankful to Shamral sir. Unfortunately, I am leaving. But don't feel, sir, I will be in touch with you. And I will
फोटो ले सकते हैं यहाँ से.
And Jiaudin sir was very much attached.
एक बार दबाइए ना इसको.
Pause.
पॉज है ये.
When my
फोटो है सब.
wife started a school, Jia sir, I never remember, I forget, don't forget, he wrote nowadays,
फोटो है ना.
our school name board, Little Island. I put the name, Little Island, because a school should be different from other places. It should be so peaceful. You should not have disturbances. Nothing takes place when there is no disturbance. So island is a place which is away from all the pollution, all the urbanized life. Island. That's why we put the Little Island, the name of the school. Now it is Tansi. And I was very much fortunate. Our Jiaudin sir wrote the name board. Thankful sir, I remember it was. And our Anup sir, Alikumar sir was present. Thank you sir to meet you here again. Because your brother Alikumar sir is very close to me. We used to sit sir. Alikumar sir now he is the deputy commissioner of MIOS in Bhopal region. Sir, he used to sit PGT, I am PGT. I got many. They are versatile in all languages. And first of all, I never forget Anil sir for taking initiative to do these arrangements because for many years, sir, was likely sir using to organize things all these years. It is not able to give the work to one person all the years. That's why I am thankful to all the arrangements previously made. Any unknowingly or knowingly, if I hurt anybody, I beg your pardon. I am extremely sorry, sir. Everybody. Because when PISA test was there, whatever exam was there, our library sir used to give the data. Whenever I asked for a printout, he used to give me. Whenever PISA test was there, interviews from me. Because we belong to Nalgonda school. Sir, for 17 years, I was for lesser time. And Anil sir, I am very much thankful for honoring me by arranging all these things to do the refreshment. And one more thing I want to tell, Madam missed my Vivra sir came to me, but I tell you, Madam, this was made by my wife and Tara sir, my wife made. So I want to show family touch in here. That family touch, human touch, that is, they are the only two things. On the behalf of all, I request our principal sir to provide a comfortable stay in the quarter, sir. Please only do this. By only to quarter, please adjourn from my any kind of facility, sir. Please only visit our quarter. I hope that you are such a gentleman, sir. I can say frankly, sir, in Navodaya, there is no principal, no officer came to quarter of staff. Frankly says, yes. But I hope, sir, our Basar sir is the first principal, first officer who comes to quarter and solve our problems. Please, sir. Really, sir. And I am very fortunate that 23rd August is my JNU meeting in Navodaya Vijaya Samiti, and that is the same day sir JNU is there. Like Praveen joined 31st August you are joining day. You are opening batsman, I am closing batsman. All-rounder. Match in the Navodaya is closed by me this day only. But you have to continue. You are not only opening batsman, you are middle order batsman, you are all-rounder. I hope this school has got a good answer in this Praveen. I hope and Rajesh are also a systematic worker because sir he was handling many duties in JNU school. That I said to your professor. I saw him because there was nobody. Because when we go outside we are one. That behavior should when I went to the DO office because in Kalinara also when some paper used to I used to carry. Our mother was there. Hey, we said this Sudhakar sir are going to guide when we go outside we are one. That is one thing. And they like a family members we can shout at each other. Personal indifference is we should not tell it. Good should go. Listen, bad, but keep. 2 years which is good.
Immediately from this time,
But personally we had to do. Only I requested sir because I took this liberty because I was not from the beginning. He himself works hard. Whenever he had to work hard, that is a motivation to the employees. When a head of family is a hardworking, father is hardworking, when father is hardworking, mother is hardworking, naturally children would be active. Children would be, that is one thing important. And another, love, care. When father, in addition to hard work, if he cares, taking care, then that will become a good family where we can extract work, productive work. I hope this will happen definitely in this Nizamabad. Because when I was in Karimnagar, when I was accommodation in charge, and giving class one, Nizamabad student came and broke the glass. Then one person told, hey, Nizamabad student broke the glass, don't tell like that. Not only Nizamabad boy is bad, Karimnagar boy is good. And he came late. So I never branded a name that we there like this, like that. So that kind of branding should not be there. Right? So due to my nature, I was outspoken. Sometimes I burst out. You might be confused. अरे सर अभी आपने गुस्सा किया, अभी अच्छा बात कर रहे हैं. मेरा nature है. Please forget those bitter experiences. And Astos sir, I bless you for a long, flourishing, prosperous life in Navodaya. Because Navodaya is in your hands. But you are technically sound. Subhas Ram is technically sound. I am not technically sound. We are other generation. We work like donkeys, but we are not like monkeys. Monkeys are very clever, you know. One day I was carrying sir some color. Sticky is also there. Sticky is also there in me. I went to hospital. Even so, I was carrying. Prabhakar sir had a model of it. Sir, it was in a sarcastic tuition. Those sticky there, monkey came and snatched my star. Gun bells. Other things are there. I was walking because my taking condition. And they are very clever. Dogs are not clever. They know they are right the table. And though they are beaten, sir, they don't laugh. Because I tell you, sir, Girls dormitory, there were puppies. I provided me same 2 dogs were there. Reserve. I used to love them like anything. In emotion, I built it. It's a lot. Not built to build time. I know how much. But we take human beings, they take revenge. But they don't have that nature. God gave that kind of nature to them. Nobody beat you, they don't. Even our children, my son don't. He takes everything from me, but if my son, if I scold him like anything, he stops talking, go I do my life to him, everything to him. This is the difference. My son, he loves me till I give. When I stop giving, he stops there. That is the generation. Of course, I should not be away from my responsibility till my death, because I gave birth to him. This is my private son, to look after everything, good and bad. My son. So that responsibility is different, but this is different. So keeping all these things, I behave like this. Anything, sir, if I spoke wrongly, I express the feelings all over, whatever, and I thank, I'm very much thankful to our sir, Nagar sir. Both are very like opening batsmen, there is Abhay and that school. Nagesh, sir, he is a nice PGT chemistry, sir. When he has PGT chemistry post was not there, he identified it. And that person, I think one person came from where he got corona and died. Was teacher, chemistry teacher. So before that, he handled he was post-graduate, he is also post-graduate. So, and he is a professor, he is doctorate from Central University. And he was my associate. And associate almost a
Sir, I want to see you as a liar.
No.
As a liar in High Court.
No, sir, I just see it like nowadays. Because of Navodaya,
Future.
because of Navodaya, I used to
Advocate, sir, I want to see you as a
know people of all the states, all the districts of the country. Even Darshan also is an opportunity where I hired students from different states. That advantage is there.
All over the country.
And Rajasthan, Rajasthan, is King's place. Kerala, place of chemicals, herbal medicine. Every state, every district has its own importance. And last year I tried 1.5. Gopal sir, if I talk bitterly, sometimes that is only official, not personal. This is for the name of the Vidyalaya, comfortable stay of the students. And name of the Vidyalaya, name of the principal only, I shouted here and there. Because ultimately, sir is the person who decides, he is the head of our family. That's why we should take positively. Anyway, anytime sir is pressure, he may shout it also. We have to take positively. Sir, anyway, I am very much thankful, sir, for making me comfortable. And I am very much fortunate. పూర్వం జన్మ ఉద్యోగం చేసుకున్నాను. మీరు నా పేరు వద్ద మీరు ఉండడం అనేది నాకు దేవుడిచ్చిన వరము భాగ్యం సార్. ముఖ్యంగా చెప్తున్నాను సార్, ఎప్పుడు నా ప్రాబ్లంలో సార్ ఫోన్ చేస్తే బాధపడగా గంటలు అనేవారు. ఈ పని మాత్రం కనీసం పనిలో అదే ఉంది. ఇన్సిడెంట్ చేసిన మర్చిపో, వెంబడి పనిలో పడిపో. అందుకే నా పుస్తక పఠం లైబ్రరీలో బుక్స్ మేడ్ మీ హ్యాపీ పీస్ఫుల్ దో ఐ వాజ్ ఇన్ బిటర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ సిచ్యువేషన్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. And I want to show also, sir, because you might be curious what is there inside. Pandora box is a negative box, it is a love and it is a love from you.
మేడం తో కట్ చేయండి సార్. మీ ఇష్టం.
Silver plate. Silver plate. And I will return to my coming Lord will love saying that my members of
Yeah, the reason is స్కూల్ దగ్గర ఒక ఫోటో తీసుకుంటాం.